Hey y'all, it's Nicole with LivingWell Properties, and I am out at Fireside Village today in McKinney with Carnegie Homes. So behind me is the build job for my client, and this is an active adult community, so 55 plus, and they do still have some lots available. If you are looking for something like that, I highly recommend this little community. Great location. I'm gonna flip this around and we're gonna go check out what's going on back there. Okay, y'all, so when I was out here a little over a week ago, they had just started doing the plumbing rough, and now it is completely trenched, and they have the moisture barriers up, and the cables are set, and it is ready for foundation. We just have to pass one inspection first, so we should be getting foundation early this week. Very exciting stuff. So we've got, so the community here has a 2-car garage, but it's not your standard 2-car garage. The garage is actually right here and it goes straight back. So it's a 2-car tandem. And then we've got 2 bedrooms and 2 baths on this side. And then you have your living and your kitchen back here. There's also is there an office? I can't remember if there's an office, but anyway, really cute little plan. It's 1,675 square feet. It's got a great size patio in the back. Once we get this foundation poured, you guys are going to get to see that. It's a really, really great plan. It's the largest plan they have out here. Really, really great for empty nesters or those who are just wanting to downsize. Okay guys, so that wraps up the tour for this week. It's very short and sweet, but we will have foundation coming up very quickly, and then right after that we'll be getting framework started. So lots of stuff coming up in the very near future. Stay tuned to see how this cute little house turns out. If you are tuning in for the first time, I'm Nicole Roan with LivingWell Properties, and I give this kind of service to all of my new construction clients. So if you're looking to build, please call, text, email, or set a Zoom appointment below, and let's chat. Until next time, y'all, take care and God bless. Bye.